know it's been a long time. Haven't seen my friends in quite a while. Wasting.
So this is a pretty chestnut dark brown. Like, it's a really pretty brown, you guys, and I'm very excited about the lace. Okay, like that's what's really catching my eye too. As you guys can see, it is pre-plucked for me already. The lace looks amazing. I don't have to do much work. It comes in a middle part already. This is a body wave texture. Now this is not like any other body wave texture. The curls is actually curled for me already, so I love that, because I was just like, the less work I have to do. The glue gets clear, that's when you know it's ready. So I did 2 layers of this because I want to wear this hair for a good minute. So I'm really happy about this color. And yes, let's put it on. Let's get her on.
Can take it so, cause you never know. It's inevitable that one of us is gonna fall. Lately,
no plucking, but I do have to cut the extra lace that's by the ear so that, you know, it can fit comfortably, you know. So now it fits. So please remove that extra lace, you guys. We don't need it. You want to be able to wear your wig comfortably. So I'm going to keep the middle part going. These are the curls that it came in. Very voluminous curls going. I am going to, you know, put a little layer in the front, fix the parting just a little bit more in the middle that they already gave me. I'm going to use my hot comb and I'm going to use my curlers. But so far the hair is really soft. The length on me is beautiful. As you guys can see, it's full, literally all the way down to its ends. It's not thin. I have not received any shedding. Nothing bad to say about it. I love this hair. It's really pretty. Like, everything about it is gorgeous. The density on here is perfect. It's not thin. There's no shedding. The color is literally made perfectly. The way they colored it looks very professionally done. You cannot go wrong with this type of brown. It's like, this type of brown is not like a dusty brown, like, you know what I mean? It's like a really pretty, gorgeous brown. Like, it doesn't look dry or like dead.